Vice Chancellor of Manipur University of Culture, Gunindro, maintained that ignoring past practices can often sow the seeds of decline in long-standing traditions. He made a statement during the 2 days workshop conveyed by its organizing committee today on the theme Pokpadagi Siba Paupagi Tauram Singda Honglakliba Machat Amadi Masina Kunaigi Senmitlon the Piriba Chaiting, which translates as the cultural revolution from birth to death and its impact on the economy at Manipur Institute of Management Studies, MIMS Auditorium of Manipur University. Speaking at the event, Gunindro highlighted that the rituals performed from birth to death reflect the traditions and identity of the religion and community. He noted that rituals in Manipur have been evolving over time, impacting both the economy and the cultural identity preserved by their ancestors. He maintained that if such workshops had been organized earlier, the changes in cultural ceremonies could have been better preserved.
Punsigi mari linawa thodong sing sida akoi pangthu iba ira thuni adigi akoi nat ko iba chane bi sing sida sen ka hina chalan ba adigi ni amuk irei lejuda ba kangbu su maki ngasai gi mayam chane bi oina torpani na moisu any upayam torpa maduna semit londa not only mayam gi natana masa masa gi family gi su semit londa karpa masi ramain to na thingadagi ramain to na masi khadang teno to gadagi haiba madigi mongda yam maru orbasi akoi paramchat puramchat haidar ko indigenous culture have that ko masi reflect or dinga sai hai ribasin loin reflect ba anu mayama hapchile ko hapchile kusida akoi culture gi masak sidis da yamna akoi indigenous nataba mayama ut point na thokusu yoy ba culture gi di masi yamna tayon no pot amne ba